Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're pronouncing the name of a celebrity that belongs to the world of cinema. He is a famous actor with a net worth of approximately $450 million. He has appeared in more or less 50 films so far. Well, how do we say his name correctly? We may pronounce it as Arnold Schwarzenegger, Arnold Schwarzenegger, Arnold Schwarzenegger, Arnold Schwarzenegger. Arnold Schwarzenegger is known for his iconic roles in action and science fiction films, often playing strong and heroic characters. Some of his top movies include The Terminator, Predator, and Total Recall. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about Arnold Schwarzenegger, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.